Hello and welcome back to Richard's Random Reviews, the channel where I review stuff and buy stuff, random rubbish, so you don't have to. So please give me a like and a subscribe, it's much appreciated, just trying to get the channel to grow as much as I can. If you've got time to subscribe, that will be really good, thank you. Well, today we're doing a review of this Blaupunkt Air Cooler. Now I got this from B&M earlier today, gonna unbox it. And then we're going to test it out and see what it's like. Is it worth the £20? It's really hot at the minute. It's been in the 20s, late 20s, and it's going to be 30 by the weekend, they say. So I've been looking, I've got two oscillating fans in the house. They don't really do a lot apart from spread the hot air. And I thought I'm going to try some other products. So I've got this and also a little handheld fan that I'm going to do a separate review of. But this is it, the Blaupunkt Air Cooler. And there's all the specifications on the front. It's washable, portable and light, quick operating system, optional 7 LED mood lights on it as well. 3-speed settings for variable temperature control, up to 6 hours of cool air provided by 500ml water tank. So what we've got on the side there, 6 hours, 3-speed settings, the same sort of spiel that's on the front. Yeah, £20, wow, from B&M. It was the last one on the shelf, and I did go in, bought it, so let's see if it's any good. So we'll open it up and see what we get. So, we've got a little charging cable and a plug, which is quite good because you don't always get plugs with things like that, and it's quite a decent little plug. Decent cable and lead there. If it's a load of rubbish, might use them for something else. So let's have a look in here. We've got, I'll get rid of the box now. So it looks quite nice actually. This was the last one left. Whether they do them in other colours. What we got written on the sides? There's like some sort of, pre-soak the filter, place it in the freezer. Right. So plug in your air cooler, fill the tank with water using a jug, point vents towards you, turn on the unit and enjoy. You may notice some condensation foaming on the front grille. This is normal. So it's an hour later. I've just had to stop the video because I realised that this front pulls open. If I can do it again. There, that pulls open, and in there was this filter. Now I've put this in the freezer for about an hour and a half, and that goes in like, I'm sure it's not the right way. Oh, let's have a look. Yeah, so the filter goes in, does it go a specific way? There, yeah, so that goes in there. Now that filter, you run it under the tap and then put it in the freezer. I've had it in about an hour and 20 minutes and it feels really cold actually. That feels quite icy. Right, it's quite fiddly. So that's the filter that you run under the cold tap and then stick it in the freezer for a while till it's frozen, and then it just fits back in. I'm not sure if I'm putting it in the right way. Yeah, I think it's the plasticky bit to the bottom. I think it goes that way. Oh, it is a bit fiddly. That's it. So the plasticky bit to the top, there is some instructions, but who reads instructions? Close it up, and then we shall plug it in the back. Right. So that's me cool frozen filter in. So the lid comes off. We're going to put in some ice as well. We're going to hit it from all angles. So that's my ice in. And then last but not least, we're going to put in some water. I think you're supposed to do it till that level. Okay, there we go. The level of that white thing. Put the lid on. It's slightly fiddly. The machine itself does feel quite good quality. It's not sturdy, but it's not bad. It doesn't feel too cheap. You've got this vent thing at the front where you can direct the air. So we've got the icy filter in. We've got some ice and water in. Let's see what it's like. That is quite good actually. Now that is on level 3. I'll put it on level 1 to start with. Now there's the light as well. You can change the colour of the light through all these different colours. Blues, purple, green. Yeah, blues, purples, green. Is that a red? This is probably coming quite noisy coming across quite noisy on the filming. Let's have a look. So I'm not sure how noisy this is coming across. There is a bit of noise. I'm not sure if that is something I would have on all night. But it's no noisier than an oscillating fan. So, So that's on level 1. That is not bad actually. Level 2. You start on level 3 and then come down. So it goes straight onto level 3 and then you come down. So level 3, that is quite nice. I wouldn't say it's like an icy blast, but it's cooler than a normal oscillating fan. Definitely. Level 2, slightly quieter, not as cool. And then level 1, that's quieter. And there's still some cool air coming from that. So I'll switch it off. So that is not bad actually. Like I said, you pull this open and then you put your icy filter in. It might need a few hours. That seems to be melting already. So I think I'll probably put the filter in for longer. I'd give it about an hour and 20 minutes, something like that, maybe going on an hour and a half. Got the ice and the water in the top. Yeah. So I'll put it on 3 again. That is not bad. Hopefully you can hear me over the noise. When it's hot at night, you just think to yourself, I don't care about the noise of the fan. Some people find the noise of the fan quite soothing and it gets them to sleep. This has got a bit of a whine to it, if you can hear that. But that is feeling quite cool. I'll just adjust that up and down. Now, does the light come on? No, the light doesn't come on. So that button, it looks double-sided, but it isn't. It's just one function. But it's not bad. So out of 10, I would probably give this... I'm just going to test that once more before I give it a final marks. That is quite nice. I'm a couple of feet away from the camera. I'm just going to go a bit further. I've been about 6 feet away and I could feel that cool draft. And yeah, I'm quite impressed. Yeah. So I think the main thing is to freeze that filter properly for maybe like a few hours and put it in there first thing in the morning and forget about it. Yeah, use your icy water in the top. I'm impressed. I'm more impressed than I thought I would be. So £20 from B&M, and I'm sure you can get it in other places. You can maybe get it on eBay and Amazon. It's not bad. I'm going to see how long the icy cool temperatures last. I'm going to put it on for like an hour now, and then I'll do the final part of the video shortly. So I'll be back again soon. So for £20, I think out of 10 so far, I think it's actually seven and a half, 8. I wouldn't say it's going to make a room icy cold, but it's going to cool it down and make it more bearable. So is it worth the £20? I think it is. I'm quite impressed so far. For a small room next to you on a desk when you're working, if you don't mind the noise, it's not the quietest of fans that I've tried, but it's not bad. Yeah. So that's all for this video. Please like and subscribe as I'm trying to build the channel up so I can review more things. I'm not monetized and I'm not sponsored by anybody at all, but this was from B&M and it was £20 and it was actually the last one in stock. I don't know if they do them in other colours, they might do, but this one was the last one in stock, and I was just looking for something else to cool the house down because it's hot and it's going to get hotter this weekend. So I shall say bye for now. Please subscribe and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Bye.